Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to get your text-to-speech to sing on your TikTok videos. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video, as it means a lot to me. And I would like to thank every one of you who has done this in the past. So yes, TikTok now makes your text-to-speech sing. I don't know how they do it, but it makes your text into a song. Just a note, depending on your region, you might not have this. I am in the UK and I have this feature. So let me show you how to get your text-to-speech feature to sing. First, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the plus sign. This will take you into TikTok's recording screen. Upload a video or record a video. In the editing screen, use the text feature at the top right of the screen. Enter in your text. After you've entered in the text, tap on the text-to-speech icon just above the color palettes. The text-to-speech menu will appear at the bottom. You will see all these different voices which are available. Now here you're looking for a voice with a mic on it. If you have this feature, you'll see two voices with a mic. The first one is tenor and the second one is alto. Tap on tenor and it should start to sing your text with the music and some sound effects. You can also try the other one, which is alto, and see which one you prefer.
For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow.
Since it is singing, try to make the text for a long time. And also make sure your video is longer than the singing. And that is how to get your text-to-speech to sing on your TikTok videos. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.